This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, June 17th. I'm James Spann. Typical June weather today. No major changes through midweek, but things begin to change a little bit by the weekend and next week. Now let's go in there and take a look at the Skycam shots. This afternoon, that is a summer-looking sky. Developing cumulus clouds as seen from our trustful Skycam. A few of those have formed into storms today. That's the Inverness Skycam in Shelby County atop the Wingate Inn looking north. And, ooh, yes, the Alabama Gulf Coast enjoying bright, sunny weather today, beach-bound for this week. Weather looks great, sunny days, fair nights through the weekend. Yes, a few isolated storms, but, of course, isolated means they'll be few and far between. Interesting pattern, very deep low and trough in the western states, producing some mountain snow out there here in June. But around here we have the warm ridge kind of suppressing the showers and storms. That was a radar at 2:38. It was raining around Ashland and Lineville and Clay County. Storms near Auburn and Tuskegee. Down around Lake Martin as well. But for most everybody, it's dry. 90 is a common number today. That was the mid-afternoon reading for Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, Decatur, and Huntsville. 89 for Haleyville, 88 for Cullman. We'll expect highs very close to those levels each day for the rest of the week. Up on the watch warning map, up north, some flash flood watches northwest of Chicago. Out west, red flag warnings for wildfire dangers. That includes all of Arizona, some of the adjacent states. And I see some winter weather advisories out there for parts of Wyoming and Utah for snow, and some freeze advisories for some of the western states, where it sure doesn't feel like summer today. In advance of that big trough, we got a tornado watch for parts of Montana and the Dakotas until 8 o'clock Mountain Time tonight, where they could see some severe storms. That's the overall severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight, running from Montana to New York State and parts of New England. Pretty much the same area tomorrow, with an extension down into the southern plain states, even parts of West Texas. And on day 3, no formal risks for Thursday, just 5% possibilities of severe weather from the western part of Texas up to the Canadian border. Rain for the next 5 days kind of matches the convective outlooks. Around here, it's suggesting about a half inch. And again, every day the amounts will vary tremendously because of the scattered nature of the afternoon storms. And the tropics remain very quiet. We'll check the GFS. This is valid tomorrow afternoon, 1 o'clock. This is at 500 millibars, upper high nearby. And down below that, weather not changing a lot. Highs at or just over 90, partly sunny, a few widely scattered afternoon storms. Thursday, kind of the same thing, although moisture levels seem to be a little deeper, and the model suggesting afternoon storms might be a little more active. There's a look at Friday. Same thing, few widely scattered storms about, partly sunny with a high 90, 91, something like that. And as we kick off the weekend on Saturday, the upper high begins to shift southwest. The air aloft a little colder, and storms probably a little more active over the weekend. It doesn't mean it's going to be a rainy weekend, but a thunderstorm or two, a definite possibility. And there's a look at Sunday, the same deal. Highs for the weekend, I'd say, again, close to 90. Models are way too hot. The GFS printing like 96 on Sunday, and it's been consistently 5 degrees too hot for the last 3 days. So, again, some sun and a few storms around Saturday and Sunday. Same thing Monday, and here's Tuesday of next week. Looks fairly wet as the trough or the ridge continues to break down and the air becomes more unstable. We'll check the end of the forecast. The 3rd of July, almost at Independence Day. Man, the summer is just flying here. Of course, I know it's not officially summer yet. Summer arrives Saturday. Westerlies up north, very typical look there. A few scattered storms, nothing out of the ordinary. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.